Did you know the way you cut a cucumber can actually affect its flavor and texture? Mind-blowing, right? Today, we're diving into the world of cucumbers and how cutting them the wrong way can lead to some serious culinary chaos. It's not just about getting those pretty slices for your salad. It's about enhancing your dishes and making your food taste amazing. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's talk about the common mistakes people make when they're cutting cucumbers. First off, a lot of folks just grab any old knife and chop away. But did you know that if you cut cucumbers with a dull knife, you're basically crushing the cells? This releases bitterness and can totally ruin that refreshing taste we love. Another mistake? Not paying attention to the way you're slicing. If you cut them crosswise instead of lengthwise, you might miss out on that crunchy texture that makes cucumbers so enjoyable. And how about those uneven slices? It might seem trivial, but if they're not uniform, they can cook differently, leading to some sad, mushy pieces in your dishes. So these mistakes can lead to frustration in the kitchen and ultimately poor results in your meals. Now let's explore the different techniques for cutting cucumbers. First up, we have the classic slicing method. This is where you simply cut them into rounds. It's great for salads but can lose some of that crunch. Then there's the julienne technique, where you cut the cucumber into thin strips. This method is fantastic for adding to stir fries or as a crunchy topping for tacos. But wait, there's more. The diagonal cut can give you larger, more attractive pieces that work well in salads or garnishes. And let's not forget about the spiralizing technique. It's super trendy right now, turning cucumbers into beautiful spirals that can be used in salads or as a pasta substitute. The science behind these techniques is all about cell structure and water retention, so choosing the right method can really enhance your dish. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the most effective way to cut a cucumber. Drum roll, please. The secret is to cut it lengthwise into quarters and then slice it crosswise. This method not only keeps the cucumber crunchy, but also allows for maximum flavor release. Want to see it in action? Grab your sharp knife and cut the cucumber in half lengthwise. Then, take each half and cut it again, creating quarters. Finally, slice those quarters into bite-sized pieces. You'll notice the texture and flavor are just so much better this way. Plus, it looks gorgeous on the plate. So, to recap, cutting cucumbers correctly can make all the difference in your dishes. Whether it's enhancing the flavor, improving texture, or just making your food look more appealing, the way you slice matters. Remember to use a sharp knife, choose the right technique, and your cucumbers will shine in any recipe. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to method for cutting cucumbers? Have you ever made a mistake that drove you crazy? Drop your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other cooking tips videos for more ways to level up your kitchen game. See you next time!